Good morning, happy Thursday. My name is Anthony Special Jr. For those of you who don't know me, with Hawkeye Traders, I hope everyone's having a fantastic week so far. Guys, I'm going to just follow through with the idea of how we understand volume precedes price action. And guys, that is the foundation of what Hawkeye is. It's the foundation of this concept we call V-Swarm. So I'm going to touch on that again today because it's really, once you understand how volume works, you better understand how the market works. Before we jump into that, I just want you to know anything I share with you today is for informational and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as financial advice because it is certainly not unique to you. With that, I want to just show you how V-Swarm, the power of understanding volume, came into the market and gave us this low risk, high probability trade on crude oil yesterday. So we can see here on our two qualifying time frames, our 12-minute and our 6-minute, you see there's a large red top, this large protruding red top. Those two large red volume bars, and there was one on the 3-minute back here. I just zoomed in so you had a better idea of what the actual move looked like as it transpired. This tells me when a red top occurs, when volume comes into play on a multitude of time frames, that the sellers are coming in and overtaking the market. It tells me that this is where they found what we call supply. And when supply is found, that's typically where the market reverses from. So as this transpires, we are able to see this follow through. And this here was our 3-step Hawkeye entry. Super low risk, short here at 41.26 with a stop at 41.35. That's 9 cents. Now I had a profit down here at 40.99, looking at my supply and demand zones. That was where it was the highest probability of it stopping. So there was my three time zones that I looked at produced 3 different targets. 40.99, 40.89, and 40.79. 40.79 wasn't hit. However, you could have managed the third one with using the stops if that was a method you had chose to use. Either way, guys, this produced a fantastic trade. If you were just following the ATR rules, here at a close below 5, you would have moved your stop to 3. That in itself right here is 20 cents. That's $200 per contract traded. That's $2,000 per 10 lot contracts traded. So you could quickly see how this produced a day's pay, or a week's pay, or 2 weeks' pay for that matter, very quickly. And this all transpired because we knew the power of volume. We knew the power of V-Swarm. We understood that here is where the sellers were taking control, and that when the opportunity presented itself to get short, we were able to jump in and grab a great piece of this move. Now, I personally probably would have put my target at 40.99 or maybe split it at 40.99, 40.89, and 40.79. So as 99 and 89 got touched, I would have managed my third one and got stopped out, somewhere around ATR 3. But I would have secured profit a little bit deeper in the trade. So that's all unique to how you want to set up your trading. As long as you have at least a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio, this trade would qualify in my books to take this and to pay myself. I mean, guys, that's the objective. The objective is to understand what the market's going to do before it does it, because volume leads price action. And then implement a trade strategy that takes that and makes you profitable. And with that is the full circle here at Hawkeye. What we do for you, we help you, not only by giving you the indicators, giving you the understanding of volume, but then helping you implement the trade setup, because that's important too. Execution, discipline, consistency, all those things play a factor in having these successful trades produced time and time again. And guys, these trades, whether it's on oil, the NASDAQ, S&P, Dow Jones, whatever you want to trade, corn, soybeans, you can do this on indices, you can do this on currencies, you can do this on stocks. It really doesn't matter what your preference is to trade. The principles excuse me, of volume, and the principles of following this entry setup is exactly the same. I'm partial to oil because that's what I trade. I trade oil for a living. So, I see oil in a certain light because that is what I have specialized in for nearly a decade. If you specialize in trading the NASDAQ, or there's something specific you prefer to trade, a currency pair, whatever, it doesn't matter. As long as you understand the principles of how volume works, you can make this happen over and over and over again. So guys, with that, I want to lead you into repetitive consistency, discipline, producing the same result over and over and over again. I've shared with you guys that I like to golf. Now, I'm not the world's best golfer by any means, but when I hit the ball with the same swing over and over and over again, with the consistency of aiming over and over and over again, guess what? I get the same result over and over and over again. No different from trading. If I can keep my swing and impact of the ball and my target alignment when I'm playing golf, I get the same result as if I was, setting up my trade plan, executing my trade plan, understanding my trade plan. I get the same result. So I just wanted to share that with you. Now listen, not every shot goes perfect when you're playing golf. Not every trade goes perfect. That's part of life. But stacking the odds in our favor is the best we can do in anything we apply our life to in order for us to be successful. So guys, putting that in perspective, if you are not trading and you have no understanding of volume, if you don't fully understand how volume leads price action, you need to click the link below and you need to watch the VSwarm webinar. Now guys, if you have already seen it and you have questions, you need to call us, you need to visit our website, you need to email us at support and let us help you better understand the picture you're missing here. Because the reality is, if you don't understand volume, you don't understand the way the market works. If we can tell you when the picture comes in that volume is preceding price action, and I show you day in and day out, not to be repetitive, but because these are not the same trades over and over again. These are a new opportunity that produces itself constantly. And we want you to be able to take advantage of it. Guys, this is how you systematically create return after return after return, and you start to double your account consistently over and over and over again. That's how you build wealth. That's how you build financial stability. That's how you are able to control your own destiny. And that is here the core of what we are trying to share with you. So click the link below. Check out the VSwarm webinar if you haven't watched it yet. If you have and you have questions, please give us a call. If you're using Hawkeye Traders already, I couldn't be happier for you. Make sure you're taking full advantage of everything we offer. Skype Inner Circle Room, all the training videos in the members area on the website, the Wednesday morning coaching sessions with me. Pick my brain. I dedicate that hour to my Hawkeye Traders so I can give you all of my experience and answer as many questions as possible so that you guys can best understand exactly what you're doing and how to do it. So with that, guys, have a great day, have a blessed day, have a profitable day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.